Today, we'll be taking a look at the best juicers to buy this year. And as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the juicers mentioned in this video. If you think we missed out any item on our list, please let us know in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Breville Juice Fountain Cold. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold is one of the finest mid-range juicers, which comes with all the necessary features and specifications, and all this in a mid-range price bracket. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold comes in the custom-build silver color, which makes the juicer very appealing and attractive. It is perfect in appearance and goes well with all kinds of home decor and interior designs. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold is made up of high-quality materials such as plastic, which are non-toxic and environmentally friendly. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold is very lightweight and easy to carry. It weighs just 11 pounds, which means you can easily carry it wherever you want. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold is just perfect in size, and it is ideal for a family. The total length of the juicer is 14.5 inches and the width of the juicer is 10.5 inches, whereas the total height of the juicer is 17.6 inches. It comes with the cold spin technology. All of this is achieved by flowing the juice up and down through the stainless steel cutting disc. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold also comes with safety features. It has a built-in safety arm lock, and the juicer will not run until you don't put the arm on the juicer. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold comes with 2-speed electron control, which allows you to operate the juicer on 2 different speeds. For denser fruits and vegetables, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold can run at a high speed of 1300 RPM, whereas for leafy vegetables and soft fruits, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold runs at a low speed of 650 RPMs. The total power consumption of the Breville Juice Fountain Cold is 850 watts. Number 4. Hurom HAA Slow Juicer. This amazing juicer is not just very durable, but it is also very classic, and it can easily extract juice from all the vegetables and fruits. The Hurom HAA Slow Juicer comes in a matte black color, which looks very classic and goes well with all kinds of home decor and interior designs. The Hurom HAA Slow Juicer is made up of high-quality materials such as plastic, which is very durable and long-lasting, and the best thing about the materials used in the making of the juicer is that all the materials are non-toxic and environmentally friendly. The total weight of the Hurom HAA Slow Juicer is just 10.6 pounds, which means it is very easy to carry, and you can easily carry it wherever you want. The dimensions of the Hurom HAA Slow Juicer are just perfect. The total length of the juicer is 7.1 inches and the width of the juicer is 8.8 inches, whereas the total height of the juicer is 16 inches. The Hurom HAA Slow Juicer comes with a streamlined design, which also includes very smooth curves that become slimmer and slimmer and gradually. Overall, this juicer is very stylish and modern and elegant as well. The natural HAA rotates at a high speed of 43 rounds per minute, which can extract juice from all the fruits and vegetables very easily. And all this comes with a control lever which allows the users to control the amount of pulp according to the taste. The Hurom HAA Slow Juicer is an all-rounder. It works with all vegetables, fruits, leafy greens, nuts, and soybeans to provide you with nutritious fruit juices, and this juicer can also create ice creams along with the frozen ingredients. Number 3. Breville Juice Fountain Compact. The Breville Juice Fountain Compact is a very durable, economical, and efficient juicer that you can get for almost $100. It is designed and assembled by the famous brand Breville. The Breville Juice Fountain Compact comes in classic silver color, which looks very magnificent and goes well with all kinds of home decor and interior designs. The Breville Juice Fountain Compact weighs just 9.68 pounds, which means you can easily change the location of this juicer whenever you want, and you can carry it wherever you want. The Breville Juice Fountain Compact is made up of high-quality and durable materials such as plastic and metal. Both these materials are not just very durable, but also non-toxic and environmentally friendly. The length of the juicer is 7.4 inches, and the width of the juicer is 10.4 inches, whereas the total height of the juicer is just 12.7 inches, which is ideal for a family. Among all the juicers available in the market, the Breville Juice Fountain Compact is the most heavy-duty and durable. It comes with a centered knife blade assembly and also features the compact juice fountain, which provides you with the finest quality juices. The Breville Juice Fountain Compact can be used to make juices of vegetables and fruits. It is not possible to eat a lot of vegetables and juices on a daily basis, so the best way to consume all the essential nutrients and minerals is to consume them in the form of juices. The Breville Juice Fountain Compact features a 700-watt motor, which runs at a very high speed of 14,000 RPM and provides you with a maximum extraction of the juice from the fruits and vegetables. And it also comes with a safety locking arm that protects the juicer, and the juicer will not operate until you don't close the locking arm. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Premium Juicer. The Hamilton Beach Premium Juicer is not just very economical, but also the most magnificent and durable juicer that you can ever get for yourself. The Hamilton Beach Premium Juicer comes in a silver color that goes well with all kinds of home decor and interior designs. The Hamilton Beach Premium Juicer is made up of high-quality materials such as plastic, which is very durable and long-lasting. And the best thing about the materials used in the juicer is that all of them are non-toxic and environmentally friendly. The Hamilton Beach Premium Juicer weighs just 9.3 pounds, which means you can easily change its location whenever you want. The total height of the Hamilton Beach Premium Juicer is just 15 inches, and the width of the juicer is 9 inches, whereas the total height of the juicer is 15.5 inches. The Hamilton Beach Premium Juicer is the best juicer, which will provide you with nutritious juice in just a few seconds. And the best thing about the juicer is that it is very easy to use, and it also comes with a BPA-free pitcher along with a lid, and also comes with a froth separator. The Hamilton Beach Premium Juicer is very efficient in making juices of all kinds, and it is very efficient and can do all the tasks. The juicer uses 850 watts of electricity depending upon the usage of the juicer. The juicer is a must-have, especially if you want to take care of your health and fitness. The juicer can help you a lot, as with the help of this juicer, you can extract the juices from many vegetables and fruits. Number 1. Omega Premium Juicer and Nutrition System. The Omega Premium Juicer and Nutrition System are one of the most iconic and advanced juicer machines which you can ever get for yourself. It comes in a classic metallic color which looks very magnificent and goes with almost all kinds of home decor and interior designs. Plus, this juicer machine is made up of high-quality plastic, which is durable, long-lasting, as well as non-toxic and environmentally friendly. The overall height of the juicer is 14.5 inches, and the width of the juicer is 6.5 inches, whereas the total height of the juicer is 15.5 inches, which means it is large enough for a family. And the total weight of the juicer is just 13 pounds, which allows you to change the location of the juicer machine whenever you want. The Omega Premium Juicer and Nutrition System are specifically designed and assembled to provide you with long-lasting juices, as it uses a low speed of 80 RPM, which ultimately results in a few heat buildup in the juicer. All of this comes with the dual-stage masticating extraction, which means you can extract multiple juices from it. The Omega Premium Juicer and Nutrition System helps you to extract the maximum amount of nutrients, minerals, and vitamins from the fruits and vegetables, which promotes better health and helps you maintain a balanced and healthy diet. Apart from extracting the juices and essential vitamins from the fruits and vegetables, the Omega Premium Juicer and Nutrition System is a full nutrition system, as the name of the juicer suggests. With the help of this juicer machine, you can extrude pastries, grind coffee, and spices. Further, it also enables you to turn the nuts into butter, and you can also make baby food and frozen desserts with the help of this juicer machine. Further, this juicer allows you to mince the herbs and garlic, and you can also whip up soy milk in a flash. The Omega Premium Juicer and Nutrition System comes with an adjustable end cap that has 5 different settings for the maximum juice output and extraction. And the bonus option, the Breville 800 JEXL Juice Centrifugal Juicer. This comes with all the features and specifications which you need to make the best juice for yourself. The Breville 800 JEXL Juice Centrifugal Juicer is made up of high-quality materials such as steel, which is not merely very durable and long-lasting, but also non-toxic and environmentally friendly. Another benefit associated with the steel is that it is easy to clean. The total weight of the Breville 800 JEXL Juice Centrifugal Juicer is just 10 pounds, which means it is very easy to carry and can be carried very easily wherever you want. The Breville 800 JEXL Juice Centrifugal Juicer comes with 2 different controls to help you make multiple juices. The high speed of the juicer is 13,000 RPM. The low speed of the juicer is 6,500 RPM, and all of this comes with a built-in controller that helps you control the speed of the juicer according to your requirements. The Breville 800 JEXL Juice Centrifugal Juicer is equipped with a stainless steel micromesh filter and also the titanium-plated cutting disc, which helps you make the best out of your juice. The Breville 800 JEXL Juice Centrifugal Juicer is perfect for making juice of all the vegetables and fruits. The juicer comes with a circular 3-inch feed tube that can easily accommodate all the fruits and vegetables in it. The juicer has all the features which you need. The Italian-made micromesh filter is efficient in extracting 30% more juice as compared to the other juicer machines, and it is also efficient at extracting 40% more vitamins and minerals. The Breville 800 JEXL Juice Centrifugal Juicer features 1.1 quarts jug capacity, and the pulp container of the juicer is 3.2 quarts, which can store enough pulp in it so that you don't have to clean the juicer again and again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.